Welcome back, everyone. This is Brad Matheny again. Still Tuesday, the 4th of June. Boy, oh boy, look at this move. Total complete rejection. Remember, this is a perfect example of price must attempt to break through new highs, or what it's going to do is roll downward and attempt to break new lows. So, again, simple Fibonacci price theory at work. Remember, as I left the last video, we were sitting right over here past this apex, trying to get through this upper area here. And I kept saying it's got to get through this orange line. If it doesn't get through this orange line, then it's going to roll downward. I gave multiple examples. I even drew this blue line out here. Let me shrink this up and show you, saying that if it fails to get above that blue line, then we are going to likely move all the way down into this downward cycle. So now, very confident rejection right here. Anchor bar setting up. Okay, need to get some warning. That's an early warning signal. Spread this apart. There's our anchor bar. Here is another anchor bar. I'm sure it's there somewhere. See if I can get them up on the screen. There they are. Yep, there's an anchor bar here, anchor bar here, anchor bar here. I'm getting beautiful anchor bars all the way down. We've run down into support. This is our support level. Remember, we drew this earlier. We also have multiple support levels behind this. We would be looking for price to hold in this area. And if it fails, it's going to come back down to this low area from earlier today. So again, right now we've got this breakdown. The trigger level again would have been right here. This would have been a very clean entry right from here all the way down. You would likely have pulled profit right in this area, right near this support level, and wanted to see how far it's going to go. Remember, price is ultimately going to attempt to take out a new high or a new low. So it failed to take out the new high here. It's coming down to try to take out a new low. It is obviously broken down below these levels. Well, now we need to look back down here and look for critical support. So I would say that you have support here, a unique low or a standout low right here. You have another one right in this area here. And you, of course, have a couple of them here, which we're already very, very close to. We have no standout lows through here. The closest standout low is right here. And we're already pretty much close to that. So understand that I'm not trying to pick the closest lows. I'm trying to pick the furthest, well, the most relative lows, because these are areas where price is probably going to attempt to go. So understand that here is our closest downward low. Okay, this is our closest standout low throughout this trend after we got the breakdown. So once we got this breakdown, we're already below this low. We're already below this low. They don't really count. I mean, they do, but they're already breached. So where's the next standout low? Right here. It's the only one we've got throughout this entire uptrend. So this is now our first line of defense. Price has to hold in this area if it's going to try to attempt to move higher. Okay, if not, it's going to move down into these areas, potentially trying to take out this ultimate low. So again, beautiful setup, beautiful flagging, high price rotation, failure, example of failure to breach a new high. Obviously, my uptrend example was negated as soon as this rolled back down. And again, you want to pay attention to the flagging price level. Once you get out of the flag, that flag level becomes very important. That tells us essentially the equilibrium between maintaining a bullish perspective and now starting to maintain or take on a bearish perspective below that flag apex. So here we are. We bounced off this level. We'll see what happens. This could become our low. And again, this is a very solid example of a decent pullback. Sorry, come in here. We almost 618, almost right down to a 618, and to see how this pullback sets up. So again, would I be trying to take a trade right now? No. The trade was from here, basically, once we got into this breakdown, was from here to here. That was the trade. Now, am I trying to take a trade now? No. What I'm trying to do is see what's going to happen. My ultimate objective would be to get a new anchor bar down below this level. Then I may consider a small short in this area, or to see how this support holds. And if I get back above this level on any moderate support, especially after setting up some sort of a standout high, which would be some kind of a move like this, then I would be looking to possibly trade this move back up to try to take out this high all the way over here. Okay, it's all price. I'm going to keep this one short because we're almost near the end of the day, but it's all price. That's what I want to remember you to remember. Talk to you later.